been bringing to us here at QVC. Today is no exception. Today we're bringing you the seasonal nested pedestal bowls. Wow, it really is 5 o'clock in the morning, isn't it? And we also have it at an amazing clearance price of $24.98 to get Temp-tations into your home. What is so great about this, where I'm really sold, is that each bowl comes with a lid. So we're talking, we prep, we cook, we serve, we store, all of it right here from Temp-tations. I have these really great seasonal colors to choose from, and because it's on clearance, this is your last chance to pick up these colors to add to your collection. Right here, I have the egg hunt, which is so fun, kind of whimsical, so cute.
So fun for Easter.
This is the summer. And we also have the, oh, there it is, the Ocean Fetty, which is such a fun sort of Caribbean blue color. I'm absolutely loving this. I am joined by Bryn Edwards, who is the, what do you do?
I'm part of the product development
She's
team.
Product development. It's on my other card. But Bryn, thank you so much for being here. Of course.
So excited.
I'm so excited too. Let's talk about it.
It's such a fantastic set. It's that everyday set that you'll use all the time because these quart sizes are so fantastic. This is a 2-quart bowl with a sweet little pedestal on the bottom, and then over a 1-quart bowl with it. With those 2 lids, as you said, it nests completely together. But the beauty of Temp-tations, if you don't know already, is that these pieces, these hand-painted, gorgeous pieces, go in the oven all the way to 500 degrees.
Crazy.
Go in the microwave. Crazy. Go in the toaster oven.
Crazy.
Go in the fridge. Go in the freezer. And go in the dishwasher. So they go everywhere we need them to go. And they just brighten up our kitchens and make them so much prettier.
Oh, absolutely. And you know what? I'm not going to say a messy cook, but when I'm done cooking, when I'm done prepping and everything is said and done, it's just dishes everywhere. From the things that I prepped in, to the things that I cooked it in, to the things that I served it in.
Yes.
One-stop shop. What did I say? Right here at Temp-tations.
Yes, Tara Tescher, our founder, has just completely revolutionized the way that you will play in your kitchen, and I know that she has done so for me because, like you said, I'm not cleaning everything up. Everything's in one dish, and it's a pretty dish. So whether it's just a weeknight with my family or a big family dinner, I have beautiful pieces every day that I can count on.
And they're hand painted, which is just astounding, yet can still go in the oven, yet can still go in the dishwasher. Where can they not go? There's nowhere they cannot go. And they, most importantly, they go on your table.
They do. And the detail in these, the hand painting, so no 2 are exactly alike, but we've done such a beautiful job with the Ocean Fetty, I think, with these beautiful sort of sea glass colors, the light blue, that punch of green, and that bit of eggplant to ground it a little. Just so beautiful from the inside and the out, no matter what you put in this one. So this is our Ocean Fetty.
That's Ocean Fetty.
Yep. Then we have our summer. Oh, I love this. Look at the beaded edging on this. And then our summer has little shells sort of hidden in that beautiful scroll work on the inside. Oh, sorry, I don't want to get the glare for you. And then on the outside, it's delicately etched into the actual stoneware all the way around. Doesn't that feel fantastic?
Oh, it is. Look at that.
Beautiful.
That's unbelievable.
All in your super durable stoneware, so it's gorgeous but totally functional. And then we have our egg hunt, which is such a fun seasonal. Get this now and keep it for the spring. Give it for a gift. Think about wedding showers, weddings coming up, presents. I just love this, and no matter what color Temp-tations you collect, this is such a fun piece to add into your collection.
And remember, there's no reorder on any of this. So if you are seeing this, and I know we had Easter not too long ago, but if you're seeing this and you're like, oh, I would love to have that on my Easter table next year for 2020, now pick it up now, because we have it on this amazing clearance price of less than $25. Now remember, you're getting both bowls. You have the large bowl here, which measures about 4 inches high and 9.5 inches in diameter. And then for the smaller size, remember, you are getting both, and they nest perfectly inside one another. The smaller bowl is about 3 inches high and 8 inches all the way across. Now, when you nest them, what I love also, because remember, you do get these 2 lids as well, which is great for transporting.
Yes.
Everything nests together. So if you put the lid on top of the small one and the lid on top of the big one, it fits perfectly.
All goes together.
So it's really
perfect
easy for storage. What did you make? What did you make?
Let's see it in action. So this beautiful cherry cobbler just came out of the oven. It's bubbling on the edges, but look at those nonstick properties. So I can pull this right away from the edge, serve ourselves a little piece. It smells amazing. Oven safe to 500 degrees. So you can have this piping hot, gorgeous cobbler ready to go. We did a little bit of whipped cream in this bowl for a little bit of garnish. And then whether this is your nightly dinner or a special occasion, it's perfect for those things.
Do I get to eat this?
Yes, please.
Oh
Go
my
for
goodness.
it.
Oh,
I made it myself. No, I did not.
I'm going in though. I know we're not selling cherry cobbler, but you put cherry cobbler in front of me and I have
please.
to have it.
And there's so many options. So delicious bakeware, amazing hot or cold, hopefully delicious. And then we can do decor as well. So have fun with these pieces.
Oh, look at that.
My ocean fetty in my kitchen is actually my fruit bowl. So I wanted to recreate that for you so you could see, because it has that beautiful pedestal. It's such a great everyday look and a lot of capacity, 2 quarts on this to fit all my fruits right on the table, ready to go so my kids can grab them and eat. And then we can do cold pieces too. So we have our Cornish hen, we have a dressing for a salad I'll grab out real quick, but you are good to go with all of these pieces for anything you need, just brightening up your kitchen and making everything taste more delicious because it's in a beautiful vessel.
Oh, it's such a great idea. Let me show you your choices one more time. I have the egg hunt, which is that really fun, seasonal, whimsical, adorable pastel-y one. I have the summer right here, which is the most popular and the most limited. So keep that in mind if you're trying to get Temp-tations into your home. And then I have the ocean fetty as well with those really beautiful colors. This is one that you can really use year round. This is transitional every season. And remember, you get the 2 lids with each one. So when you're going to that potluck, taking it to a picnic, whichever way. Again, your clearance price, $24.98. I am